What's going on, everybody? Welcome to I'm upside down. All right, do over. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over something that I went over already, but guess what? It's a different size, you guys. Now, I do need a little bit more space when it comes to these little bushes that I have. Now, this one is okay because it came from a smaller pot, but this one has been in this pot since last year, and it is growing a little bit wider. So I ordered a 4-foot instead of a 3-footer. I'm gonna go ahead and check out the size, but this thing is growing good. No more bird pecking. If you want to protect your plants, get this. Oh man, the plant looks so healthy. Birds are not biting it no more. Well, they can't bite it no more. All right, I might put 4 stakes in there since I got it up. Now this is so big it fits around the pot, which is perfect. This is what I needed right here. Size matters. Anyways, I'm just joking, you guys. Have a sense of humor. The 4-foot is definitely better. It gives it room for your plant to grow. My OCD is kicking in, you guys. All right, it's on the corner on that one. All right, I'm gonna leave it alone. Leave it alone. I'm gonna leave it alone. And I have to say that I do like this size right here. The size is real good. Now I'm gonna zip it all the way. If you're new to this channel, I have ODD. I'm gonna pull the strings and tighten it up, and that's it. You guys, this is so much better. So I might do the same thing with that one, even though I don't need it because the plant is not that big. But now y'all can see the difference. This is the 2-footer. This is the 4-foot. All right, you guys. So we are in the front yard, and I want to show y'all how the birds just be pecking on my plant on the front yard. So they don't do it as much as they doing on the backyard, because y'all know the backyard have the bird feeders and all the bird fun stuff back there, but they do come in the front sometimes. And I will probably get taller sticks, maybe. Yeah, I'll get some taller sticks. That way it can come out a little bit more. But that will be it, you guys. So that's the front yard. And again, hopefully nobody says anything. All right, you guys, just kidding. Have a little sense of humor. I'm under homeowner association, so it is what it is. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.